Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esther. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some wigs that I got from Myfirstwig, and they let me know that they are launching some brand new styles on their website. And I've been a fan of Myfirstwig for a long time now. I've used a few of their wigs. I was really excited to be a part of this project, and it's so cool because I haven't heard of this being done from a hair company or a wig company before. So they're basically launching some new hairstyles in relation to star signs. I am an Aries. I was born in April. My birthday is April the 16th, so it's coming up really soon. So they've given me two wigs that they feel represent that star sign. If you know anything about horoscopes or star signs, you may know that Aries is associated with fire. They say it's the fire sign. I don't know why. I mean, I could say because we hot, I could say because, you know, we have a bad temper, but I don't know any Aries that have a bad temper. I would say it's just because we're really hot in it, so we'll keep it as that. This is one of the wigs that I'm actually wearing, so I'm going to demonstrate how I laid it. I don't really do frontals, and I don't really do lace frontals or like 360 wigs. I don't do them myself because I feel like I just don't know how to do it, but they have made it really easy, hence why they're called Myfirstwig. They've made it really easy for you guys to kind of get stuck in with wigs, especially if you're really new to the whole wig situation. So I've basically shown you the easiest method, especially because I don't really know what I'm doing. And I'm gonna have all the details of the wig in the description box so you guys can go through that, and links to their website as well. Firstly, I'm going to try on the wig and make sure it fits the circumference of my head, but mainly to make sure that it fits from ear to ear. So when I'm applying the glue, I do make sure I apply it only to my skin, and I try and avoid applying it anywhere near my hair, as it can cause breakage if a lot of it gets onto your hair itself. So I go ahead and apply the gel very thinly, and I use a blow dryer to speed up the drying process. Once the gel has gotten slightly tacky, I then go ahead and place the front of the lace onto the gel. And I do this section by section, and I really take my time with it, and I blow dry as I go along. This always helps get the lace laid faster, especially if the gel hasn't completely dried. At this point, all that's left to do is just style the wig, and then I go in with my straighteners, obviously just to flatten out the hair. I'm going to use a wand to flatten down the top of the wig so it doesn't look too bulky or too bumpy. I like the top to be really flat. So this wig was made to fit my head to the T. I put it on to try to start with before I actually cut any lace off. I did obviously put it on to try and see where the lace went, and then I trimmed off any excess lace. The hair is really light and really quite fine, especially if it's a full lace wig. You don't want a full lace wig that's really bulky. I don't think it's necessary. It's actually 18-inch, and it's been dyed red because obviously Aries is known as the fire sign. Some of our strengths are known to being confident, courageous, outgoing, optimistic, honest. I mean, everything that I am. This style suits that perfectly. It's not too bright, but then it's not too dull, and it was dyed really well, and you've got like a hint of red as well there in the front, and I think that's really cool. It's subtle, but at the same time it's also it stands out. And this is one of the wigs from Aries, and I will show you guys the second one. They made it so easy for me to get stuck in and do this wig by myself and obviously lay it and stuff. And as you guys can see, it's nice and flat, it doesn't leave any bumps or anything, and it fits my head really well. So I'm gonna go on and show you guys the second wig that I have from this collection, and also it came in this Myfirstwig box. They all come in this box, and they all come packaged in a nice wig bag. Even if you want to throw away the box, you can keep this and store your wigs in here. So with this second wig, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to try the wig on first and make sure it fits from ear to ear. I'm going to trim off the excess lace in the front and in the back. I'm also going to use the adjustable straps to make it slightly tighter at the back of the wig. I'm going to be using my Got To Be Ultra Glued again as an adhesive. Then I'm going to lay the lace down in the front where I've placed the glue. I'm going to go in with some styling. I'm going to straighten it, and I'm going to flatten it down again with my curling wand. Now I also noticed with this lace that although it was a brown lace, it wasn't dark enough for my skin tone. So I think the next time I wear this wig, I'm definitely going to apply some powder foundation to the lace, just so it blends a little bit more with my skin tone. The lace is the same color as the first wig, but because you see a little bit more of the lace on this style, I do definitely need to do a little bit more customization to the lace. Installing the second wig. Now it's very similar to the first one. The only thing is that this one is a natural hair color. I trimmed off the lace and I just literally just put it on. I didn't really do any customization to it. In terms of baby hairs, I'm not crazy about them. I feel like this is one that doesn't really need it. I'm gonna have all the specs in the description box, so you guys just have a look down there, as well as the link to the website where you can shop this look from Myfirstwig. Myfirstwig are always so kind, and they give you a little packet. It's got information on how to look after your wigs. It's got a tail comb in there, and they've got some elastic in there if you feel like you need to secure the wig a little bit more. And they have these crocodile clips, which are great, as well as some wig caps. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and shout out to all you Aries out there, because it's our month. Time is now. Time to take over the world again for a short period of time until another star sign kicks in. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.